Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to customize your toolbar in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once you have Chrome open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see three vertical dots, which is Chrome's menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can adjust all kinds of preferences and configurations for your browser. The settings page is your control center for customizing how Chrome looks and behaves. Now, on the left side of the settings page, you'll see a navigation panel with several options listed vertically. Click on Appearance from this list. The Appearance section is specifically designed to let you control the visual aspects of your browser, including themes, fonts, and of course, your toolbar layout. Within the Appearance settings, you'll see an option that says Customize your toolbar. Click on this option to access the full customization panel. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll be able to control exactly which buttons and features appear in your Chrome toolbar. Once you click it, a customization panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This panel is divided into different sections, each containing various tools and features you can add or remove from your toolbar. Let's go through each section so you understand what's available. The first section you'll see is labeled Navigations. Here you'll find options like Home, Forward, Open in Split View, and New Incognito Window. Each of these features has a toggle button next to it. Simply click any toggle to turn it on or off, which will show or hide that particular button on your toolbar. This gives you quick access to the navigation features you use most often. Next, scroll down to the section called Your Chrome. This section contains several useful tools including Google Password Manager, payment methods, addresses, and more, bookmarks, reading list, history, downloads, and delete browsing data. Just like in the navigation section, each of these options has its own toggle button. Click the toggle next to any feature to add it to or remove it from your toolbar. These shortcuts can save you significant time when accessing frequently used Chrome features. Finally, you'll find the Tools and Actions section. This is the most extensive section and includes options like Print, search this tab with Google Lens, Translate, Create QR Code, Cast, Reading Mode, Copy Link, Send to your devices, Task Manager, and Developer Tools. Again, each feature comes with a toggle button that you can click to show or hide it on your toolbar. This section is particularly useful if you regularly use specific Chrome tools and want them readily accessible. Now here's a bonus feature. If you want to rearrange the order of buttons on your toolbar, you can simply drag them to your preferred position. This allows you to organize your toolbar in a way that makes the most sense for your workflow, putting your most used tools front and center. And that's it. You've now customized your Chrome toolbar to perfectly match your browsing needs. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.